Hey guys, do you want to grow fast on YouTube? Today we're going to look at the success story of ZY Animation, a channel that has attracted over 245,000 subscribers with just 17 videos. Simple and engaging content, animations for all ages, centered around popular characters like Ronaldo and Messi. Use of current trends, videos that are quickly seen in the YouTube algorithm. High quality and targeting. Each video targets its own specific audience. You can too. Free or low-cost tools. The secret to success? Start and keep going. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. Success is waiting for you. Success on YouTube is just a few simple steps away. Just start and keep going. Let's take the first step towards success together. Now that you've learned the key points for success, it's time to move on to the channel page. It's best to take a screenshot of the page and use it as a template for your prompt design or for inspiration. Log into ChatGPT and get help. Upload the screenshots you took from the channel. For example, I said this to ChatGPT. Hello, how are you, my dear? I need your help with this. This picture I'm sending you is a sample, so you understand what I mean. Now, take a very accurate, high-quality sample photo like Amy's and create different prompts that I can use in other AI tools like Leonardo AI. Thank you for your effort. After a few moments, ChatGPT will give you a perfect and accurate result. Now guys, head over to Mimic PC. Link is in the video description. Mimic PC is redefining the AI landscape by delivering powerful AI tools directly to your browser. This cloud-based platform eliminates the need for expensive hardware or GPUs, making advanced AI applications accessible to developers, artists, and tech enthusiasts. Whether you're an innovator exploring Stable Diffusion or a creator experimenting with Comfy UI, Mimic PC has cutting-edge technology at your fingertips. Forget hardware limitations. Mimic PC runs exclusively in the cloud, allowing you to leverage high-performance resources without breaking the bank. Run apps like Stable Diffusion, Comfy UI, and Automatic 101 seamlessly from your browser. No installation, no hassle, just instant access to advanced tools. Benefit from Mimic PC's payment model. With no upfront investment, you only pay for what you use and are assured of efficiency. Advanced resource management optimizes energy consumption and helps reduce your carbon footprint. Your data is secure and accessible 24/7, allowing you to work on your projects anytime, anywhere. Designed for professionals and enthusiasts, Mimic PC offers the tools to innovate in industries such as gaming, digital art, and machine learning. Say goodbye to complicated installations. Mimic PC's pre-designed workflow templates let you jump right in, error-free. Easily share and manage workflows with the template feature while simplifying collaboration and reducing storage requirements. Join a thriving community of creators and innovators on Discord, where you can share your insights, discover new workflows, and get valuable support. 50% off charges, 60% off promo programs. Access GPU services for 0.9 for SD 3.5 with massive network control. Access the latest video-to-video AI workflows for unparalleled creative opportunities. Mimic PC bridges the gap between advanced AI and everyday accessibility. With powerful tools, affordable pricing, and a collaborative community, this platform is the perfect partner to turn your ideas into reality. Discover, create, and thrive with Mimic PC. The future of AI is here. Are you ready? One of the most interesting features of Mimic PC is the Story Diffusion plan, which allows users to create attractive and professional images by just entering a simple prompt. In this section, we will explain how to use this plan and customize the settings to achieve the desired result. Step 1. Enter the Story Diffusion plan. To use Story Diffusion, you need a precise and creative prompt. You can use ChatGPT to prepare the prompt. After entering the prompt, go to the Settings section and select the following options according to your needs. Mimic PC provides you with a variety of models. Choose a suitable model according to your desired style. There are options to adjust the resolution and quality of the image. High resolution is recommended for professional projects. After confirming the settings, click the Generate button and wait for the images to be created. Let's see the photos prepared by Mimic PC. Amazing results, and wow! When you look at the images, you will say to yourself, wow, this is really what I imagined. Exactly the scene or characters you requested. Now it's your turn. You too can create amazing images and have an exciting experience working with AI by using creative prompts and playing with the settings a little. Re-enter ChatGPT and ask it to prepare a script that you need to make the video more interesting. Now that you have created some great images with Mimic PC, it's time to complete your project by adding a professional and engaging voiceover. For this, ElevenLabs is the ideal tool that allows you to add natural and high-quality voiceover to your videos. Insert the script that you have previously prepared with ChatGPT into the text section. If you need to, edit the text before uploading so that it perfectly matches the tone and style of your video. Clicking on the Generate option, the narrator's voice will be generated. This process will only take a few moments, and the final result will be very professional and natural. Now that you have added images and a narrator to your project, the next step to complete your video is to add a professional background song. Fortunately, Mimic PC with its Audio Craft Plus plan allows you to create your own songs with the help of artificial intelligence and completely free of charge. If you don't have a specific idea for the music, ask ChatGPT for help. Ask him to prepare a detailed and attractive description for your background song. Log into Audio Craft Plus and enter the music description text in the appropriate section. Select the desired settings such as speed, mood, genre, and the desired musical instruments. Click the Generate option to create your background music. Once generated, the created music is ready to download. Save it and add it to your video project. Video editing combines creativity and technology to create a professional masterpiece with CapCut. After preparing images with Mimic PC, producing voiceovers with ElevenLabs, and creating background music with Audio Craft Plus, it's time to combine all these elements into a professional video project. To do this, we'll use the popular CapCut program, which provides professional and attractive editing with a variety of easy-to-use tools. Complete steps for editing videos in CapCut. Click on the New Project option. Add images, voiceovers, and background music from your device to the project. These files will be displayed in your project's media library. Place the images one by one on the timeline. Arrange the images in a way that fits the story of your video. For each image, set the display time based on the audio content. Click on each image, and from the animation menu, choose one of the following options. In animation, such as zooming or rotating. Out, animation, such as fading or shrinking. Combo animation, smooth movements between images. These animations make your images look more alive. Go to the effects section. Try effects like glow, blur, or sparkle. These effects give your images a professional, cinematic look. Add the voiceover produced by ElevenLabs to the audio timeline. Align it with the images so that the spoken text appears with the relevant scenes. If necessary, trim any unnecessary or unused parts. Insert a background song you created with Audio Craft Plus. Adjust the volume of the music so that the speaker's voice remains clear. Suggestion: slightly reduce the volume of the music in the parts where the speaker is speaking, and increase it in the parts where the speaker is silent. If there are parts of the video where the speaker or music is not needed, shorten them. You can use the trim feature to cut out these parts. Add sound effects like Ronaldo and Messi's voices or other exciting sounds. Examples: the sound of the audience cheering, the sound of a goal being scored, or the sound of a soccer shot. These sounds make the video more dynamic and engaging. Preview the full video and make sure that all the elements are aligned properly. If there are any minor changes that need to be made, apply them. After ensuring the final quality, export the video in the highest possible quality. The video is ready. Now upload it to your YouTube channel or other platforms. Remember the following points for publishing Mimic PC website link. It is in the video description so that you can use its services. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for the next video. God bless.